If you're ready for an upgrade in beautiful Carlsbad, you're going to want to hear about what just opened up. Near the coast and steps from the fabulous Poinsettia Park that has baseball and soccer fields, tennis, pickleball, and basketball courts, play areas, and a soon-to-open dog park. Check out this Shore Point find, which means your kids can go to award-winning Pacific Rim Elementary. This 2-story, 4-bedroom plus 5th bedroom office loft invites you into the formal living room and dining room. There's loads of natural light, obviously, and the upgraded cherry hardwoods throughout this 2,700 square foot home are gorgeous. The kitchen has quartz countertops, stainless appliances, and a breakfast nook opening up to the backyard. The family room has another pair of doors leading to the patio and a gas fireplace. Downstairs, there's a full bath and a nice-sized bedroom, or make it a playroom. Now let's check out the upstairs, where we'll make our way to the very special loft. It has a gorgeous wood built-in to help you stay on top of life. The main en-suite is nice and spacious, and there's something about the layout that makes it feel really calming. All of the baths have upgraded travertine floors, and you can take a hot soak in this oversized tub and rinse off in the modern shower. There's great lighting in here, and the home has a tankless water heater and is plumbed for AC. There are dual thermostats. And you'll love the Samsung washer-dryer that do a great job. Off the laundry is a hall bath, a bedroom, and another bedroom with an attached bath. Let's look at this great overview of the airy living room. Check out those windows. Now let's go explore out back and take a look at the view from the highest spot in the large backyard. This hillside is ideal for planting a vegetable garden or growing your own citrus. Near the house, the yard feels private and tropical, and there's this side patio area off the dining room that's perfect for additional entertaining or a great place to have a romantic dinner. There's a 2-car garage with a tandem for extra storage space. Low HOA and mellow roofs. This home will not disappoint, and it won't last long. California dreaming? Why, when you can make it a reality? Call us today to schedule a viewing.